So this is the name of the kid. This is my empty list, right? And I'm appending in the name of the kid, actually my capitalized kid. So it's like Emmett for the first one. And then I go through the loop again. We get the next kid, which is Miriam. We capitalize her. And then we append in Miriam. Then we go to the next one, capitalize her. Then we append in Ellie.
At which point, where do you put the shift return? Where it's capkids.append?
When you're done the whole thing, when I'm done writing this loop, so I've said go through each of these kids.
Yes.
For each kid, do the following.
Yes.
Now I'm done the loop.
Yeah, do
So
shift return.
Now, if I do shift return, it's going to keep appending in kids because I never reinitialized. Watch what happens. So right now my cap kids is this. Now if I press shift return, it's going to say go through these kids again and keep appending. So look.
Oh.
Yeah, so you see what happened? I need to like reassign my list to be empty just by pressing shift return there. And now this time it'll look good. So that's just, a gotcha that you can run into by the fact that Python is only paying attention to what you press shift return on. Right?
So first I have to shift return on an empty list before...
Right. Create the empty list.
Shift return.
Then go through each one of the kids.
Then I do the loop.
Yep. Capitalize it and add it to the empty list. And then go one, so now my list, if you're doing this 3 times, will have 3 elements in it.
So, hold on. Before I do my loop, I got to say cap_kids equals this empty list. Then I do the loop, the word for and in, for kid, in the kids. I want you to capitalize _kid, which equals, which I don't understand why I have to say it twice, kid.capitalize parentheses. What's the point of that?
This is remember my kid starts off as like Emmett. So now once I do kid.capitalize, now cap kid equals Emmett. Right, I'm cleaning my data right there. Then I'm adding Emmett to the empty list.
Oh, append.
Right?
Append. Capkids.append. So then I had to tell them what I had to do.
So what I like to think of this is, hey, I wanna like save my cleaned up data. So I'm gonna first like create like a drawer to put this clean data in. I need to allocate space for this, right? Then let's go through all the elements in my dirty list, in my list with some not clean data. Clean each one, go through the first one, clean it, add it to the drawer. Go to the second kid, Miriam, clean it, add it to the drawer.
Okay.
Go to the third kid, clean it, add it to the drawer.
Adding means append.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so we'll practice this next.
Next time.